Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to set up debug logs for system user. For example, here in support settings for automated case user, I have set up the system user. If I am using email to case and if I wanted to generate debug logs for the system user, then we can make use of the steps that are going to be discussed in this video. First, we have to run a SOQL on user object or entity where name is equal to system, and then make a note of this user ID. Next, we have to run a SOQL on debug level object. Here we have to use tooling API. Once we query this, we will be able to get the debug log levels in your org. Make a note of this ID. If you have multiple, select the right debug log level, and then we have to make post request to your my domain URL /services/data /version number /tooling /sobjects/TraceFlag. So if I do the post request to this with the trace entity ID as the user ID, debug level ID as the ID of the debug level which we queried, log type, there are multiple. I'm currently using user underscore debug. You have to set the start date and expiration date. For example, let me change this. So currently it is 21 February 2024. So here also let me set it to 22 to 2024 from 10:05 to, okay, let me change the timing here. For example, let me set it to 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. The value we are setting here will be in GMT or UTC. So let me save it. Now if I first we have to get the access token, so I'm sending a post request to my domain URL /services/over2/token. I got the access token. I have some script which will store the access token in access token variable. In the header we have to use authorization as a bearer space the access token which we got it from the previous request. So now first let's verify. So here currently I don't have any debug logs, so I'm not tracing any except the admin user. Now if I make a post request, yeah, it successfully created the trace flag. Now if I refresh, I should be able to see the user trace for system user. Now if I send an email to the email to case service email address, I should be able to see the debug logs for the system user. If you have a custom user in this automated case user, then you have to set the debug log directly for that particular user clicking the new button. Please check the video description. In the video description I have shared my blog post. From the blog post you should be able to get the sample body for this trace flag post request for reference. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.